Now, let's play with the ball. Leo! Catch the ball! I wish I had friends to play with. Hey guys, look over there under the big tree. Do you see that boy? Yes, I see him. He looks very sad. Yes, let's go. No one should be sad in the park. I am Sophie. These are my friends, Leo and Mia. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Ethan.
It is nice to meet you, Ethan. We saw you from across the field. Why are you sitting all alone?
Because I don't have any friends here. No one knows me. Well, you don't have to be alone anymore. Do you want to be our friend?
Yes! Come and join our team. Let's play together right now.
Really? Yes! I would love to!
Catch it, Ethan!
Nice catch! Now throw it to Mia.
Here it comes, Mia. Catch! I got it! This is 5, 10, 15, 20!
This is the best spot.
Shh! Mia is near. Ready or not, here I come! I found you! Caught you both behind the bush!
Mia!
Wow, Mia, your eyes are like a detective. You are very good at this game. Found you, Leo!
Oh my goodness! You scared me. Ready? Set! I won! We won, Sophie! Wow, Ethan! You are a super fast runner!
High five! Good job, Ethan!
That was an amazing race! Thank you so much, Sophie. Thank you, Leo and Mia.
You are welcome, Ethan. We will play here every single day. Hey, friends! Did you like our story today? We had so much fun playing together.
Yes! And remember my story. If you ever feel lonely or if you see someone sitting all alone in school or in a park, please do not be shy.
Go to them. Smile, say hello, and share your toys. A small act of kindness can make a huge difference in someone's life.
Be a hero today. Make a new friend. Because everyone deserves to smile and play.
If you want to learn more easy English with us, to our channel, click the big subscribe button right now so you never miss our next adventure.
Emma, look outside. The rain, it does not want to stop today.
Yes, Oliver. It has been raining since early morning. It is a very gray afternoon.
Daddy, I am feeling a bit bored. We cannot go to the park today.
You are right, Sophie. We cannot play outside. But I have an idea, a very warm idea.
Oh? What is your idea, Oliver? Tell us.
Let us go out to that small, cozy cafe down the street. The one with the blue door. We can have some warm drinks.
That sounds lovely, Oliver. Oh, yes, please. I love that cafe. They have the best hot chocolate with white marshmallows. That sounds wonderful, Oliver. A hot cup of coffee is exactly what I need on a rainy day like this. Let us get our coat. I love this. Splashy puddles!
Let's keep going.
Together.
This rain makes everything so magical.
Perfect weather for our little adventure.
Yay! Just this day of break time. So warm and cozy.
This is perfect for our little break.
Finally dry. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Blue Door Cafe. What can I get for you today? Thank you. We'll have a look at the menu. Emma, what would you like to drink?
Hello. I would like a large cappuccino, please, with just a little bit on top.
A large cappuccino with chocolate powder. And for you, sir? I will have a flat white coffee, please. Make it strong. It is a very sleepy day. And for the little girl?
Can I please have a hot chocolate with extra marshmallows on top, please?
Of course. One hot chocolate with extra marshmallows. I will bring your drinks in a few minutes. Thank you.
I really love the atmosphere here. It is so quiet.
Yes, it is very relaxing. Look at the window, Sophie. Look how the water little drops slide down the glass.
They look like they are having a race, Dad.
You have a great imagination, Sophie. Speaking of racing, how is school going? Are you enjoying your new history class?
Yes, Mommy. History is interesting. We are learning about ancient castles.
Here we are. 1 cappuccino, 1 strong flat white, and a special hot chocolate. Wow. This coffee is perfect. It is so warm.
Let me try mine. Oh, yes. The chocolate powder makes it taste so rich. It feels so good to sit here and just do nothing.
You know, Emma, we are always so busy. During the week, I am always working at the office. You are always busy with your projects.
I agree, Oliver. Life moves very fast. Sometimes we forget to just stop and enjoy the moment.
Exactly. That is why I loved this rain today. It forced us to leave our laptops, leave our books, and just come here to talk.
Daddy, what did you do when it rained when you were little and did not have smartphones or tablets?
When it rained, my brother and I, we used to build giant forts in the living room using blankets and pillows.
A fort? Inside the house?
Oh, I did that too. We called it a blanket castle. We used to take a flashlight inside and read adventure stories. Can we do that tonight, please? When we go home, can we build a blanket castle in the lounge?
I think that is an excellent plan. We will build the biggest blanket castle in the whole town.
That sounds wonderful. My cup is empty, but my heart is very full. This was a beautiful afternoon.
Yes, it was. Look outside. The rain is stopping. The sky is turning a bit brighter.
I am ready, Daddy. Let us go home and build our castle.
All right. I will pay the bill, and then our new adventure begins.
We hope you enjoyed our cozy afternoon. If you want to learn more English with our family, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes! Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us.
And tell us in the comments.
What should our next adventure be? Should we visit a castle or explore a snowy forest?
See you in the next video. Goodbye.